Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Civivi Incindie. I've been wanting to get my hands on this one for quite a while, but for some reason they haven't released it on Amazon until now. So first day I saw it, I got it in. Just so happened to be on the road. First thing I noticed when I saw this knife online was, of course, the Damascus version, which is absolutely gorgeous on all the photos. I just really don't like the ivory handles. It's a really cool color combo, but for any practical use, it just, doesn't make sense. That's why I chose this one. Black isn't gonna stain, and the satin or stonewash finish of the blade, you can tell if your blade is dirty. This knife fires with authority. Just take a look at those stunning grind lines on there. Definitely multiple hollow grounds, gigantic fuller on here. I mean, this thing just looks aggressive, and it looks like it's ready to do some work. I've carried this for about a week, and I am completely floored with this one. The weight isn't bad for how huge it is. I mean, we're talking a 3.5-inch blade here, so that's a large pocket knife. Hopefully, putting this through its paces, I'll have a further report and tell you what long term is on these button locks. But of course I had to oil it up. That way it's very smooth because you can feel it grinding in there. Little KPL solved the problem. But yeah, it definitely fires with authority. Opposite hand, fits very well. Let's get into some quick specs about the Incindie. We have an overall length of 7.95 inches, a blade length of 3.48 inches, a handle length of 4.47 inches. We have a handle thickness of 0.51 inches. We have a blade thickness of 0.12 inches, an overall weight of 3.82 ounces or 108.4 grams. It is a spear point Nitro V stone-washed blade. And as you can see, beautiful hollow grinds, and it does ride on caged ceramic ball bearings. The handles are made out of black G10, again, multi-directional milling, which definitely aids in the traction. If you can see here in the video, the pocket clip is a deep carry. It is milled flush. Screws are flush. This goes into the pocket without effort. And it's ambidextrous. Tip up, right and left hand. Yeah, definitely love the look and the operation of this bad boy. In this position, if you ever had to use it, it is all business. Your thumb wraps around nicely, fingers, everything is comfortable. Spear point for a reason. Let's do some size comparisons with other knives. First up is another popular knife by Civivi. It's a Ray Laconico design Sakoki, or Sakoke. Very comparable. This is what I really like in the knife, is that you have something to stop your hand. Two different types of knives, but both very excellent and very comparable in size. Next up is the Tekto knives F1 Alpha. They're identical in length for all intents and purposes. I carry this Tekto almost on a daily basis, and these two are going to be fighting for pocket time. And last comparison is the Asher Knives Spyro Blue Carbon Fiber Warney. It is also a very cool knife, and you can see the Civivi Incindie is just a hair bit longer than it. My overall thoughts and impressions on this is that it's very cool, very practical. This week that I've carried it in here, it has been nothing short of outstanding. So if you're looking for a very good EDC / self-defense tool, I would have to say this should be at the top of your list. For what this is presumably designed for, this is outstanding. Don't hesitate to give this a try, and there is a few different colorways that are available in it. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you should do so. Also, give this video a like. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for spending time and checking out the Civivi Incindie. Have a nice day.